Not a bad way to start off the day. Got the cars looking all clean. I used some new wheel cleaner. Like, these came out so nice. Even the brake calipers are like brand new looking. This car wash is super, super nice. Wagon's looking good. Got the R33. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. Go ahead. One and... Oh, you missed the mark, Jeremy. There it is. Look at this chaos. So apparently the section of Autobahn that's right near our house, they've closed it for like a 15-mile stretch. So everybody is having to cut through the villages and stuff, and traffic is just out of control. This is no good. I'm not a fan of this. Red Bull Honda. I am so glad I am on this side and not on that side. Holy crap. That sucks.
A few moments later.
No, 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 no! Dang it! I was talking crap, and now, oh, no, no, no. Nothing better than doing a solid 5 miles an hour. I just wanna go home. I just wanna go home. So we've been home for a few hours now, and honestly, I had plans for today, but we've been having a lazy day, but it's good. It's good to have lazy days and just chill and do absolutely nothing, what we've been doing. So the guys want to meet back up at the car wash tonight, a little like get together. So I'm gonna put the ATS wheels on Miley and drive this car tonight. I've also been doing some research about these calipers like yesterday. So these ones are the 5x100 GTI 2.0 brake calipers. They're larger than my stock American spec 2.0 calipers, and also these are the rotors. So these are 280mm versus my 256. I'm not gonna use these ones, but these calipers should be a direct fit to my car, and then I'll just need a 4x100 280mm rotor, and we should have a nice brake upgrade for Miley. Originally I planned to test fit these today and make sure everything worked properly, but then I got lazy. So tomorrow we'll probably mess with those and get it all situated on the car. We also need to figure out a color to paint these. I'm thinking actually like a dark chocolate gray would be kind of cool. I don't want to do silver, and I don't really want to do red with the blue. A long time ago I painted my stock ones black, which looked pretty good, but I want a little bit more pop. So I'm thinking like a dark metallic like chocolate gray will look pretty cool peeking through there. You know, we haven't had a good old Miley cold start in quite a long time. We're definitely due for one. So power techs will be coming off, and the ATS wheels shall be going on. Gonna give the ATS wheels a quick little bath using this stuff. I can't quite say it because it's in German, but I got it from Andy. Really good stuff. You just spray it on like so, let it sit. When it turns purple, you rinse it off, and your wheels are nice and clean. And now we wait. In the meantime, get the wheels pulled off of Miley. You can see everything's turning purple, and now we know it's ready to be sprayed off. Be clean. Look at that. Didn't even touch them at all. Besides the cleaner, that stuff works so well. Just takes everything right off. So good. So the power techs here are 15x8 all around, where those ones are 15x7 in the front, 15x8 in the rear. So I might be using a 10mm spacer on the front just to see how it fits. All right, well, the wheels are on. I like the design, but we went from a 205/50, which filled the wheel well very nicely, to a 195/45, and they just look, I don't know, is it just me? They look tiny. Like, see how well these wheels fit? Well, they're 15s, but the tires, the 205/50s, they fill the arch so much more, where these just look kind of tiny. And you guys know, I have a thing where small little puny tires and a giant wheel well just does not look good to me, and I like the wheels a lot, but the tires, I don't know about that. They just look small. Like just dinky in there. We'll see, I don't know. So I drove the car on the block real fast just to kind of see how it felt. The wheels feel fine. I didn't really feel like wobbling. They felt smooth, but it's just, the tires are just too small. So this is my actually this is higher than my normal ride height. You can see the gap back there versus the gap up here. The front end keeps hitting on things, and it's just, the tires are too small, the car's sitting kind of low, and it just, to air it up more, make the gap, it's just, nope. It's not gonna work. So wheels are dope. Maybe put these tires, the PowerTechs, onto these ones, or maybe just leave the PowerTechs. I don't know. It was a cool gift, and I like the design, but these tiny tires, I can't do it. And we are back to the PowerTechs. They just look right at home. The bigger tires fit the wheel well just perfectly. Like I said, if these tires would have been on those wheels, would have been perfect, but the 195 45s on a 15 is just, it's too small. I like the design of these wheels a lot. Maybe I'll put those tires on these ones at some point. We'll see. But for now, we're ready to leave. Had us a nice little cruise to the car wash. Got me a cool little spot under the number 2 spot here. R33 per usual. I'm not sure whose BMW this one is. Andy's, of course, Andy's wagon. Super clean as always. Marvin's Mark IV. Tony's G-Lights over there. Not sure whose wagon this is, but I approve. Wagons are dope. Andy has the loudest brakes ever.
Don't do it.
Wait for it.
He's gonna do it.
Yeah, they're so loud. The car wash is packed. This guy has really nice March 6 GTI with the OZ Superleggera wheels. Super nice wheels. Okay. Woo! Easy with my car, guy. home sweet home after a nice little cruise. So I was reading through the comments from yesterday's video, and it's confirmed these calipers here off of the GTI are the same calipers as the G60 ones. They're just made by different brands. So these are made by Lucas, whereas the G60 are made by Girling, but they're the exact same caliper to my knowledge. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and pull off these factory 2.0 calipers and go ahead and test fit and make sure these are gonna be a direct swap onto my car. Then hopefully once everything checks out with the caliper, we can look into getting ourselves some new rotors for the front of this car and have ourselves a very nice brake upgrade. Or instead of the GTI calipers, we can run these look at these things, dude. These things are so huge. I would need at least, I would say 17s or 18s, because like, dude, that caliper is so big. Like covers the entire face of the PowerTech here. We made it in just before the rain. But with that, gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, don't forget to be thankful for every single day. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.